Hey guys, thanks for joining me and welcome back. So today in this video, I'd love to show you how I made this beautiful fall floral table decor. I made it with some items that I picked up from the Dollar Tree. As a matter of fact, 90% of the items I use today are from the Dollar Tree. And if this is your first time to my channel, please subscribe and don't forget to click the notification bell. That way you'll know every time I upload a new video. If you are interested in how I made this beautiful fall floral table decor, just keep watching. So first I'm going to start with steaming open the flowers. Now all the flowers that I picked up from the Dollar Tree were kind of bent and out of shape, and I found that just using a gentle burst of steam over them will help straighten them out and to help them look like they're fresh and new. So the majority of the florals that I'm using today are from the Dollar Tree. So I'm going to use these two gather plaques today, and I picked these up from the Dollar Tree. And I showed you guys this in my last haul. So I'm just going to remove the plastic, and what I'm going to do now guys is use a little bit of Mod Podge glue, my paintbrush. I'm just going to spread a little paint along the letters where it says gather, and I'm also going to put a little bit of the Mod Podge over the pumpkins and the other decoration on it. I'm going to be using the Dollar Tree glitter, and that green glitter I picked that up from Amazon. So what I'm going to do is just kind of coat the front of the plaque where it has the words gather, and I'm also going to be using some Mod Podge on the pumpkin and the other fruits that are on the plaque. I'm going to sprinkle it with some corresponding glitter to match the color. So here I'm just going to sprinkle a little bit of the black glitter over the word gather. So I'm just going to continue, and I'm going to do the same thing to the other plaque. So I'm going to use a little bit of hot glue, and I'm going to adhere both plaques together, one on top of the other. So this is the soft floral foam. I picked this up from the Dollar Tree, and what I'm going to do is use a little bit of hot glue and adhere it to the top of the plaque. This hurricane vase I picked up from the Dollar Tree, and what I'm going to do is just trace the base of it onto the floral foam, because as I apply the florals I don't want to cover up the center of that foam. So right now I'm just using my pliers just to remove some of the fall leaves. The leaves are absolutely beautiful, and I'm just going to start applying some of the leaves to the floral foam. As I apply the leaves, I constantly check to make sure that they're sitting upright and in the right position. Here are some loose fall leaves that I picked up from Amazon, and I'm going to use those just to fill in the extra spaces on the foam. So here I'm just using these berry picks and I'm going to place them along the corners of the foam. So now it's time to place the daisies onto the floral foam, and I'm just placing them in random places. I just want to make sure that they're all about the same height, and so as I insert them, I'll fix them up a little bit, zhuzh them up a little bit, and just place them randomly. I want it to have a nice random look. And so far, guys, I really love the way this is coming out. It looks really beautiful. Now I'm taking the pumpkins that I used in my last video. I have some extra left. So I'm just going to insert those onto the corners of the foam just to give it a nice fall look. The pumpkins will add a nice touch. So before I move on to the next step, I just want to make sure that the florals are positioned nicely. I'm going to go back and just make sure there aren't any exposed foam there. So now it's time to decorate my hurricane vase. And here is the adhesive diamond wrap. I showed you this in my last haul, and I'm going to apply it to the smaller section of my hurricane vase. So here I'm just using one square of the diamond wrap just to cover over that little space that I had left. So now that that's done, I'm going to use some of these diamond confettis that I picked up from my discount store. I think you get a bag of 200 for $2.99. But I'm going to use that and I'm going to put those inside my hurricane vase. So the candles I'm going to be using today are from Luminar, and I picked these up from QVC. And guys, I have so many of these that I purchased over the years, and I definitely will show you some of them in this video. And yeah, so I'm going to use electronic candles today for this DIY. This came out absolutely beautiful, and the Luminar candles have a beautiful glow, as you can see here. So now I'm going to take you to the final result, and look how beautiful this looks. This is the larger vase that I'm using today that I picked up from the Dollar Tree, and I sat that in the center where we didn't cover up with the florals. Here's the smaller vase that I just showed you I decorated. Guys, I love the way this turned out. I absolutely love the way it looks, and it'll go so well with my other room decor. Also, I'm going to be using other candles in this as well as other vases. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. Please don't forget to thumbs up the video. Please don't forget to subscribe. As always, guys, thank you so much for joining me. I do appreciate it. Take care of yourselves, stay blessed, and I'll see you at the next video. Bye-bye.